Welcome back, guys. Another episode of N.R.T. So what we'll be doing today is we'll be showing you how to repaint an ATV frame that's rusted. The plastics are off this ATV at the moment due to exhaust issue. And I washed it the other day and you see all this rust. Paint's worn up. What we're going to do is we're going to take a Milwaukee with our benchmarks wire wheel. And we're going to run down. Okay, I'm going to take a wipe, going to clean up all the dust. Clean off every wire wheel and start spraying. You have to be careful you don't get on anything else. So. Got some Rust-Oleum. It's black. This ain't sponsored by Rust-Oleum. Maybe in the future I'll be sponsored by Rust-Oleum. Oh no. And just like that. I'm going to go ahead and let that dry. But as you can see, it's looking a heck of a lot better, and it won't rust no more. So just years and years and years of corrosion and garbage getting in between the frame and the plastics, and it rusted there. Now, when the plastics shift and stuff, sometimes the vibrations will wear away the paint in some spots, but that's just normal wear and tear. But gonna probably have to get a different battery tray because this one's cracked so much. Alright. This tray is white and stands out. But now, sprayed it. Looks very nice. So, please subscribe, like, comment, share this video, and this is how you repaint an ATV frame with just the plastics off. Now, could go through, take everything off the frame and sandblast and powder coat the frame, but we're not building a sport bike here. It's a utility bike, so slash farm bike. So that's good for the application the bike's being used for. So the flooring I used is just regular gloss protective enamel. So, catch you on the next one.